What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here over at Adrian's house. We're actually installing a bunch of little Type R parts for the car. I got the cluster. My boy DC5 Jerison hooked it up with the cluster, man. Appreciate you so much for hooking it up. He also gave me like the Type R kind of like a front plate for the valve cover, which is this one. On the ITR, you notice that it doesn't say 2.0. I also got the RTR headlights there for the DC5. So I came over to Adrian's house just to install it, get you guys some content and make the car look better. I think it already is. Anyways, today I pulled the trigger on a nice little thing there. That's going to be for a future video. I'm not going to spoil anything, but it's definitely a rare piece. I don't know if it's a one of one in the state. If it is, then your boy got it, but it will be for a further video. Video probably won't release for like 2-3 weeks until it comes in from order. I got it from ICB. Other than that, let's get cracking and let's enjoy this video because we're gonna install a bunch of little ITR parts for it. Let's go.
It's the money. 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 The money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah.
Eventually.
To clean them on the inside, right?
Yeah, because it looks like it probably had moisture or something.
Yeah, at some point.
Because I can see those little tiny specks are on the inside.
But they, yeah, I think
That's okay, I mean,
I noticed it. You just have to bake these fuckers.
you just have to like remove the glass, clean it really well, and then you have to seal it. Like
Yeah.
you have to buy the new buta, whatever they call that shit.
Yeah, you just gotta seal it. Well, but we'll see. All right,
you're
so
gonna do that too. Let me put that in there.
yeah, said that time lapse right away, Playboy. Oh man, I'm copying Zosh's words now, Playboy. It's my dog, Zosh. Anyway, so this is the Type R one. This is the USDM one. God bless you, Adrian. As you can see, the difference here is this one says 2.0 dual overhead cam. This is smaller. Type R one just says dual overhead cam, and it's a little bigger. So we're going to install this, and we're going to. If anyone wants it, let me know. DM them. I'll give it to you for free, but you pay for shipping. So
No, put it back. Put it back.
those are the that's the thing about it. And two vloggers here filming. All right, I'll get you guys now.
It's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money.
Yeah, we're trying to wipe it a little bit because it's a little bit dirty, but so Adrian, I don't want to tell the viewers what I got, but just give us a few words, you know, about. That's it. That's all we can say, right? That's all we can say. I was speaking to Zosh today. I was speaking to Zosh today, the YouTuber. You guys don't know who Zosh is. You just have to follow the link. I'll link him down below. And he told me, man, that price for that, just that price for that, you guys will see it. It's going to be a special video. Hopefully you guys like it. I just got confirmation that it's not the only one in the States. Wait, it could be the only one in the States, but it's not a one of one. There's less than 50 made for each series of an engine. Meaning there's less than 50 made for a B series, less than 50 made for a K series. I don't think there's a single cam. I could put money on that there's not a single cam. But there is an H20, the H2 motor. There is less than 50 of that. So I know as of 2019, I don't think they made any. 2020, they made one. I think it's one, and I got it. So It's just a timeless piece. I don't really even care about selling it. It's just something I want to keep. But that's going to be a mystery for the next 2 or 3 videos. Hopefully it arrives quick. He said it's going to be here within 4 days.
Nice.
So that's not bad, dude. That's great. So, all right, I'm gonna go into the cluster. We finally put this one on. They're just giving it a little cleaning. Tonight we're gonna go out, so I'll probably continue the vlog tonight.
Woo.
Go grab a little beer here with the boys. This one is already on, as you can see. Is the, you know what? I actually like this one because now when you look at it, even from the camera, there's not too much going on. There's not a 2.0 and an L and a period and a 0 and a 2.
It's much simpler.
It's much simpler. It's like that's it. That's all you see. You know. By the way, the A-Spec one came with that arm right there. That's all messed up. It came with it in good condition, so that's something that we have to swap out too. And yeah, that's about it. Let's continue with the cluster. I gotta show you guys how to remove the cluster. All right. As for the cluster, the CTR cluster. Look at me, the CTR cluster. I did have a CTR cluster at one point, and I did have an EK at one point. There's no point on crying about that because I got a DC5 now, so it's better.
Well, let me see if I can get in on that side.
Yeah, see if you can get in.
I
So
might be able to.
as for the Type R cluster, not much of a difference. The only thing you can see there, it does say Type R. It does light up on red, and it's only kilometers. I'm used to it because I had the CTR cluster for like the longest. We're just bringing all this stuff in.
Okay, watch out.
You good? You good?
Just
I'm getting old for all this stuff, man. As for the CTR and the kilometers and all that good stuff, I've had a CTR cluster on the EK. I ran that for years. Not for years, for 2 years. Look at me. I ran that for like 2 years, so I'm pretty used to the kilometers per hour because in the USDM one, as you guys can see, it does have kilometers and it does have mile per hour. Now, the Type R one doesn't. The Type R is just pure kilometers per hour. No reason to have a mile per hour if you're in Japan, obviously. But here, they give you that option. It is nice, but you don't have the Type R you know, logo on it or whatever. I still think it lights up red. We'll find out about that. One thing that I haven't done on this car is put the toe plate.
I just realized you were recording.
Yeah.
I'm here with an awkward face.
The one thing I haven't done is put the toe plate, the little toe box that speaks to you.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, this is nice, dude. I love the shifter.
That's the shift knob
with the quick release.
No, there's no quick release for a shift knob.
It says pull to release. What is that?
Right, but that's because it. Okay, so from Acuity, I bought the shifter. It doesn't focus.
From who?
Acuity. It's called Acuity or Acuity, whatever. So I messaged them because this is supposed to clip on and not have play like this. Why is this is not focusing? There you go. It's not supposed to have play, right? But it does. Well, what happens is with the shift knob, the shift boot, when you take out the Type S one, this kind of sags, and I didn't want that. So for now, this is kind of just on there, and I have my spoon shift knob there, so this is my spoon setup. I have to somehow make this kind of stick there and not wobble around because I really hate that. So I'm going to pass on the camera to Adrian in order for us to install this. This is an easy install for the cluster. Just a couple of screws here and down here, and then you just kind of pull this forward, and that's about it. Alright guys, so as you can see, the top one is already removed. I'm gonna install the ITR, the ITR one now. It's the same thing. Needles are red. What I obviously do notice is that the car red line's at 8. This one is at 8.5. The car on the Type S red line's at 8.2. At 8.2 it'll hit rev limiter. Here it hasn't hit rev limiter. At 8.2. Red is starting like at 8.5 or 8.4 around there. Just maybe a little bit under that. If I tune it, I could definitely get it there. Just 2 plugs here in the back, 2 in the bottom. You just have to wiggle it around and you should get to it. I guess for now we'll give it a test. Put them on and to see how it works. And once again, man, my buddy person for coming through and hooking me up with this, man. It's a nice little piece to have. Type R piece. Whoa, what's going on there? There you go.
It just reset.
It kind of reset it, right? All right, so I don't have the key. Let's go get the key. All right, so we put it back on. Cluster has about 143 kilometers.
So 143,000 kilometers translates to about 89,000 miles.
89,000. Mine has like about 110. I just have to kind of keep it there. That little exclamation mark is the e-brake. In the USDM, it's up there. You won't see it. It actually says brake. Here is just that little light up. And I do at some point have to delete the ABS and the SRS. Other than that, it's working perfect. Type R lights up red. Looks nice. And yep, that's it. All right, so the cluster's on. I don't know if I'm going crazy or not, but the cluster looks different in the sense that the red is a little bit different. There's a little bit of different accent to the red. Maybe I'm wrong and I'm just going crazy, but I do see like a little outer red, a little outer black to the cluster numbers. Just wanted to show you. Man, this looks great. Yeah, put the hood down so we can show. Black housing headlights, black Type R headlights with the red H. The car now just leaves the A-Spec kit and that's it, man.
Yeah.
And we should be golden. All right, we're gonna remove the rear Type R, RSX Type S badge. We're gonna remove this one. We're gonna heat it. We're gonna fish line it, and we're gonna do it. And then, by the way, I got ripped off here, man. This is a fake. This is what you get for buying on eBay, and I paid expensive for it too. But that's a fake. I gotta remove it.
The badge, and it'll just come right off. Just be careful. I mean, you know, if a badge has been on there for too long, etc., you might rip some paint off. Okay, so you know, tread with caution. Okay.
Tread carefully. The man's a vlogger now, man. I'm telling you, he's gonna be a legend. No, but I'm actually glad that he has his channel. I am gonna link it below, guys. Give Adrian a follow. He is the owner of the R32 that you guys, you know, that I've been filming, and he is obviously doing the same thing as me, filming it and filming the vlog. Bro, what the hell? Look at these bags under my eyes, dude. I gotta get more sleep, man. I noticed all the imperfections when I'm vlogging and all that stuff. Anyways, so please do give him a follow. Left the link below. TurboKidzgarage, the R32, which is right here. Looks amazing with the C archives. He did get some badging. I want to show you guys. He did get the badges. Got them here. Got the front one here. These are all brand new. Adrian, did you get the did you put the thing on the door already?
What thing on the door? The
covers that you picked up today?
No, I'm not gonna do. I'm gonna buy the strikers first.
Okay. Port of Yokohama. Got with the C archives, but you guys have seen this car. I'm not gonna go over this car too much because you guys have seen it, because I want to leave the rest of the build for Adrian and his channel, and just guys give him a follow.
What's up?
So yeah, we're gonna heat now the back of the RSX badge, because when I did the Type R one, it didn't come out too well. We're gonna heat it up, and then we're gonna use a fishing line. You got a fishing line already?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Right here. Okay. All right. Well, just heat it a little bit. We'll jump into the time lapse. Alright, so unfortunately this is a 2004 original paint job. It's dirty. But as we were removing the badge and we were heating it up, this happened with the paint. For now I'm going to hit it up with touch-up paint, but this car is going to get the trunk painted and the front hood painted ASAP. And I think I'm even going to hold off on putting the wing, just so when I put the trunk and the wing, they're color matched correctly and there's no difference in color. But that happened for, you know, it's just the paint is too old and the glue was just bonded to it. I'm gonna hit it with glue gun just to get everything off, and then I'll hit it with touch-up paint for now. All right, so for today, we're pretty much over. I'm on my way to my house. Gotta go hit the gym. But anyways, just have to now paint the trunk. The hood had to get painted because it had a lot of rock chips, whatever. But the trunk has to get painted, so it's like I mentioned, I'm gonna do the wing with the trunk together, and I guess we'll go from there. So I'll have to debatch the whole car and then just redo it all over again, because that adhesive had been there for too long. It just kind of bonded with the paint, and it wasn't having it, and it took off some of the paint. I'll hit it with some paint touch-up for now so you don't see it. But I would like to try to get the car ready for Acura Honda Classic, including that rare piece that I ordered, and hopefully that's it. The man there helping me out a lot today, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up for your boy. Remember to follow Adrian on his channel. I'll see you guys.